So I got this Philips electric kettle, or electric jug as you may call it, without the base plates. Though I've run the operation already, but I just want to show you how I did it exactly. First of all, these are the things that I need to look out for. This is the heating element, this and this. I have to check the continuity and see if it is actually working. Before I start doing anything, maybe after doing and I end up wasting my time. So I'll check if this is working. As you can hear the sound, it's working perfectly. When you come here, this is the switch off and on. You see? Which is also automatic. When the water hits, this will turn on its own. So we'll have to check. Look at this red cable. It went straight to the switch and also come out here. You see? And when I look at the wire that comes here, it is from this place. This is where it comes. This goes in and comes to the light. So I have to be taking this wire straight here, taking it here, which takes the light to this switch. And why you see that is, so when you look at the base plate, this right here connect to the light here, and take to control switch here, and return it back to this. So take the light from here to the switch and return it back here. And this pin here also connect to the neutral. This is how I got it. So what I do was tag this wire here that takes it to the light. If you look at when I switch it off, now that the power is off in the 0 mode, let me check the continuity of the red wire and you'll see what I'm showing you. You check from here to here, there's no sound. Then switch it on and you check from here. You hear that sound? That is what shows you that it's passing. So what I do was simply put it here and solder it very clean, and make sure I don't do anything to touch this heating element. So when I solder it here, it goes to the light. Solder the other one to here, that brings it to the neutral. That's it. And let's check. Let me show you. I'm not checking, I'm showing you because I already fixed it and it's working. I was so busy the day I was taking it that I didn't go live to try it. So this is it. And let's add water. And switch it on. So let's see how. Can you see that? Let's look at if the switch will work. That is it. Perfectly.